Hello everyone, today we will make a very beautiful hairstyle. First tie the hairs as we have done. Now tie it from the down as well. Now pull the hairs from the between. Now put it upwards and then rotate it. Next divide the hairs in two parts. Then make the plaits of each part as we are doing in this video. Take three parts of the hairs equally, otherwise it won't look good. Now pull the hairs little bit. Now follow the same step for the other side as well. And then we will fix the hairs on the alternative sides using a hairpin and your beautiful bun is ready. I hope you liked it. Enjoy! Next we will make a very beautiful hairstyle. Take few hairs and tie it and then pull out the hairs from the between. Follow the same step for the other side as well. Now tie both of them together. After that we will divide the hairs in the two parts and tie them from the bottom. Now pull out the hairs from the between. Follow the steps as shown in the video. Now again pull the hairs from the between as we are doing. This hairstyle is best suited from medium to long hairs. After that, divide the hairs in two parts. Now we will make the braids out of it. Divide the hairs equally. Pull out some hairs. Now roll them and fix them on the alternative sides. Use the hairpins to fix it. And your beautiful hairstyle is ready. I hope you liked it. Next we will make a very beautiful hairstyle. Tie the hairs from the top as we are doing. Take the hairs from the top one by one to make the plaits. Watch the video very carefully. This hairstyle is also best suited for medium to long hairs. After that, tie the whole hairs and then we will make the plaits out of it. After we are completed with making plaits, we will roll the hairs upwards. After rolling it, fix it using a hairpin and then we will apply some floral hairpins and your beautiful hairstyle is ready. Isn't it looking so beautiful? Next we will make a very beautiful hairstyle. First tie the ponytail and then roll the hairs as we are rolling. Now pull out some hairs from the sides and then roll the hairs upwards. Now fix it using a hair bun clip and your beautiful hairstyle is ready. Next we will make a very beautiful hairstyle. First tie few parts of the hair, then take another few parts of the hair from both the sides and tie them together. Now fix them on each other as we have done in this video. Now follow the same step one more time and then fix them into each other as shown in the video. Now tie whole hairs using a rubber band and then we will make the plaits out of it. Pull the hairs from the top as we are doing. Now make the plaits. After completing with the plaits, we will roll the hairs upwards and then fix it using a hair clip and your bun is ready. Next we will make a very beautiful bun. Tie a ponytail and then roll the hairs as we are rolling. Now tie the hairs from the bottom and then we will roll it upwards as shown in the video. Roll the hairs carefully and then fix it using a hairpin and it's ready. Thanks for watching.